Hi everyone, I'm Mina and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you never miss when I upload, and let's get straight into this video. If you just want to see my 2-minute Brown video, then go to the time listed right here. But I did want to talk a little bit about my experience making this video portfolio. So Brown's video portfolio is optional, but I thought that it would be kind of a fun and creative way to further show the Brown admissions, who I am and what I like to do, and the things that have been a part of my life and made me into the person that I am today. So I decided to do it, and I actually had so much fun making this video, and that's one of the reasons why I just started a YouTube channel as well. So I thought for a long time about how I wanted to do the transitions between one topic to another because I was fitting a lot of information within these 2 minutes. And one of my essays that I wrote for actually a lot of my colleges, I talked about the whole idea was that if you were in a hallway of doors, what would be behind those doors? And so I thought it would be fun to kind of incorporate that aspect of my essay into my Brown video. And so what I decided to do is I used what I learned in my Computer Animation 1 class to create this 3D model of a door, and I thought it would be fun to put different textures on the door to represent the different aspects of my video that I was going through. I put a lot of thought into what I wanted to include in this video because I knew that the admissions people, they already have your application, so you don't want to repeat everything that you said in your application. So I wanted to find a way to extend past my application and kind of really show the things that have made me who I am today. And so the best way that I thought to do that were to put the things that I was really passionate about and the things that have had a really large impact on my life. And so there were actually still a lot of things that I wanted to include, but that's what you're gonna see in this video. So now for the moment that I'm sure all of you have been waiting for, here is the video that is my Brown University video portfolio submission for the class of 2025. Hi, I'm MINA RYUMAE and I'm a senior at the Gatton Academy of Mathematics and Science in Kentucky, where I live in a boarding school 3 hours away from home. I'm Kapanesican and I love learning about other cultures and traveling. I hope to continue my language studies, travel the world, and, of course, eat a lot of food. I've competed in FIRST Robotics for 12 years and it has had an incredibly large impact on making me who I am today. It not only sparked my passion for computer science, but I learned everything from the importance of teamwork, the meaning of being a part of a worldwide community, and how to positively impact those around me. Contrasting the logical side of my brain, I love to fuel my artsy side too. I work with all kinds of mediums, and I even have an art Instagram account. I always look for ways to improve the world through art, especially technically. I competed in Odyssey in the Mind, where I was able to use my love of art with an engineering mindset. Odyssey taught me to spontaneously, creatively problem solve and think on my feet. I've always been fascinated with coding and problem solving.
MINA RYUMAE wants to be a mechanical engineer.
I just like learning how things work and using the logic.
I love the concept that there is never one right answer. You can look at a given problem from 10 different directions and come up with 100 different solutions. I enjoy finding ways to keep improving on technology. The unifying lesson all of these experiences have taught me is that I need to get comfortable being uncomfortable. Whether it's showing my art to hundreds of people, being mentally drained after an all-nighter finishing a coding problem, or traveling to a country where the people don't speak my first language. I can't wait to open and explore what's behind Brown's door. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you guys out a little bit if you were planning on submitting a Brown video portfolio as well. I highly recommend it. I had so much fun making that video. And I'm sure that it'll be really fun to look back on that video within a couple of years too. and I hope it helped you to get to know a little bit more about me. If you like this video, please subscribe. You don't want to miss out on my other videos. I'm posting some early action college decision reactions very soon in a couple of weeks because those are coming out at the end of January. And I will be posting my college stats videos soon as well. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. As usual, I love to hear about any comments you have in the comment section down below. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!